I know you all guys are have been learning English since long, but still you are not able to speak English yet. So do you guys know the solution of this problem? No? Okay guys, so in this video I am going to share something tips and tricks that through I got benefit from a lot. So that is why if you are at the initial phase, so I want you to please watch this video until it very end, because in this video, as I told you, that in this video I am going to share some personal experience that's through I build my fluency. Now as you can see, I am able to speak English a little bit. Even I myself consider myself that even I don't know how to speak fluent English, but yes, I can make you understand that how do I speak English, right? So this kind of fluency you can say I have achieved, right? So that is why I think I can give you some solution so that you also can fulfill your dream of speaking in English. So okay, so first and the most important thing that I always ask you almost in my every single video, and that is guys, you have to be knowledgeable about grammar, right? Means before you thinking about speaking in English, first you have to knowledgeable about grammar, right? And then you should think about speaking. So okay, so in this video actually I am not going to talk about grammar. In this video I am going to give you some speaking tips so that you also can speak English as I speak, right? So first thing that I want you to guys do, right, and that is, so choose some specific channel. Some I means a few, you can say, right, 2 or 3 channels, or maybe one channel that you like. So if I talk about me, I watch mostly Veronica English Diary English channel. So if you want, you also can watch, right, her videos, link in the description I think, or as I told you the name, right, you can search on Google and try it out. By the way, what is the benefit from a specific channel? Guys, if I talk about me personally, guys, I watch, as I told you, Veronica English Diary YouTube channel, and her YouTube channel I just watch, and I do not watch any channels. By the way, even it's true that I watch entire videos on YouTube, but in the perspective of learning English, I watch Veronica English Diary channel so that I can speak English, or I can make someone to understand like in her style, right? So that is why especially I would also recommend that watch a specific channel that you like. So next thing is reading. Yes guys, reading is something that can make you knowledgeable from inside. Means you have to make time for listening as much as you can. By the way, you might have a question. Some of you have a question, Nakul, I don't have time to listen. So guys, if you want from within speak English, so you can make time, right? By the way, I also don't have time, but I myself from within I have a dream to speak English. So that is why I can make time from anywhere. Like while coming, actually right now I have come here to tie my pets, right? Some of you guys already know that I am here because of I have to come here to try my pet, so that is why I am here. So actually while I was coming, I was listening some English content that I like, right? So that's how, means even after my scheduled time I try to make time, right? I try to make time for listening, right? So that's how you also have to make time. So I hope now you also can make time, right? That's how I make time, right? So this is the main crucial thing guys, and if you guys don't make your time, then you will not listening, and if you not listening, then you can't listen the word correctly, right? And if you don't listen the word correctly, then how is it possible to speak in the right pronunciation, right? So that is why try to make time, or try to listen as much as you can in a day. And next, reading. I don't ask you to read a newspaper or read a book, right? I ask you to read the content that you like. Means if you guys want to learn English from me, then you have to, or you should watch my entire videos, and just after watching you have to read the captions, right? Yeah, read the caption, or even you can just after watching the entire video, you can click the title of this video, then you will get to see the entire speeches whatever I am talking here, right? You will get to see the entire captions, right? And you can read just after watching them. So that's how means you have to read, but make sure you don't have to speak a single day, right? You have to do this thing, means you have to read every single day, especially in order for you to make your speech smoother, right? And when you will reading, then you will guys find a lots of words and phrases, right? And if you are not sure about any word or phrases, so you can note it down into your copy, and that's how means you have to do things, right? Means you while reading you will get to see a lots of unwanted, you will get to see a lots of words, phrases. So under those words and sentences you have to note it down into your copy, and when you get time you can translate, right? Or you can search for it on Google, right? So that's how means you have to do things, right? And next thing is reviewing, guys. Yes, just after reading you have to do reviewing every single day, you can say, right? Until you don't feel comfortable to read them, right? Yeah, so you have to read a lot, right? Or reviewing a lot what you have write today, means while reading. Otherwise, if you guys means just after writing them into your copy, if you guys don't review them at least continuously 5 or 6 days, then you will start forgetting, right? So that is why make sure I want you to please watch them or review them continuously 5 or 6 days, so that you can make them stronger into your mind, right? So that's how you are going to enjoy the process eventually, right? But initially it will be harder for you, and actually this is a process that everyone has this problem, right? And once at a time I also had this problem, but right now as you can see I have the ability to explain, right, my problem. So means eventually you are also going to feel, or you are also going to enjoy the process, right? But initially you also have to feel this struggle, right? Okay, so I think that's all for today. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of relevant content. So that's all.